Hello, in this opportunity I want to show you the interface of sonoUno desktop. To do that, we are going to use the Piaget dataset download from its webpage. First of all, we are going to change the plot style to a discrete style. This is done in the plot configuration. It has a dedicated panel where we can change the marker style, the color style, and the grid option too. In that panel, we also have the configuration, the sound configuration, that allow to change the volume, the scale of between logarithmic and linear, change between a continuous sound and a discrete sound. Select between frequency mapping and volume mapping. In frequency mapping, we can set the minimum and maximum frequency. And inside volume mapping, we can set the frequency of the sonification and the minimum and maximum volume. Then we can select the sound type between flute, piano, celesta, sinusoidal, between others, and the sound envelope with different sliders to the attack, decay, sustain, and release value. And then we hide the configuration panel and open the data parameter panel where we can change the title of the data. And we are going to select the axis, the GPS time in unique timestamp, and as y-axis, the SD energy. Then this is in mega electron volt. And we are going to hide the data parameter panel. In the principal framework, we have the principal functions like abscissa position slider, the tempo of the sound, and the reproduction button. And finally, we have the data operation panel where we can perform octave functionalities and we can see the octave information in the text box dedicated to that. We have the part named retrieve from octave where we are going to enter the name of the new x-axis array and the new y-axis array, and with the refresh the plot button, sonoUno asks to Octave to send this information and plot it in the principal plot. Then we have the horizontal axis sliders where we can set a new minimum x and maximum x value, and we can perform simple mathematical functions like inverse, square, square root, logarithm, and average. We can cut the x-axis with the right functionality text entry with the specific command x lower limit to the minimum value, and x upper limit to the maximum. And then we can play. This takes a lot of time because take in consideration the time between notes. So that we can use the command play time to accelerate it. This is all about our quick tour in the sonoUno desktop interface. Thank you very much. Bye.